welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to crochet a combo stitch where we are going to be changing stitches each row. It's a fun stitch. You will not get bored. You will also practice your stitches if you are a beginner. This is how it looks like, the whole repeat. So yeah, you're gonna have fun. This is the right side. This is, well, it doesn't have a right or a wrong side, but this more looks like a wrong side. It's up to you. Change the colors each time or every 2 rows, up to you. I've used different leftover yarns. You make sure use the same yarn weight, different colors, because if you are using different yarn weights, it will be somewhere thin, somewhere thick. Yeah, like here. The stitches that we'll be using: chain, single crochet, double crochet 3 together in these groups, and here 4 together. Anyway, if you're ready, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, grab your yarns, crochet hook. Let's get to work. The multiples for this stitch are 4, so I have 24 plus 3 at the end. That will be our double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So once you've done that, you will put a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook, and then 1 double crochet in each chain till the end of the row, like so. And here we have the total of 25. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet into the next stitch, and from here on, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, almost till the end of the row. At the end, you will chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, and you will have 1 left, double crochet in it. That's your chain 3. And this is how it looks like. 2 double crochets next to each other at the beginning and the end, and these in between. Next row, chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and put 2 more double crochets into the same first stitch. This will be the half of the shell. Skip 2, single crochet into the next, skip 2, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet into the next. So we're skipping 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. That's our full shell. And continue till the end of the row. Skip 2, a shell into the next, a single crochet, and continue till the end, alternating. So skip 2, single crochet into the next, skip 2, a shell into the next, double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, 2 more double crochets into the same stitch, skip 2, single crochet into the next till the end. And when you come to the end of the row, skip 2 into the 3rd chain from the beginning of the previous row. You will put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And this is what we have. For this next row, it will be better if we use a different color. So you would join into the first stitch, or join however you're joining, and single crochet in it. Chain 2. So yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, skip the single crochet, go into the next double crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, same thing, yarn over, go into the next double crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all the stitches. When the single crochet is dropped, chain 2, put a single crochet into the chain 1 space here in the middle of that shell, and let's do it one more time. Chain 2, so we'll use the next double crochet, unfinished, into the next, unfinished, skipping the single crochet, going into the next double crochet, unfinished, and same here, yarn over, pull through all, chain 2, single crochet into the chain 1 space, and here we can already see it better. Finishing it with chain 2 and single crochet into the third chain from the beginning of the previous row. And this is what we have. And let's change the color again. So we will join into the single crochet with a slip stitch and single crochet into the same stitch. So we will put 1 single crochet into each chain and stitch, and we will have to have 25, just like the base row. So 1, here we chained 2, so we will put 2 single crochets into the group, then we chained 2, then into the single crochet, then we chain 2, 8, 9, then into the group, and so on until the end of the row, where you chained 2 and into the single crochet. And here are my 25 stitches. Turn, chain 2, so we'll skip the next. Into the next we'll put a group of double crochet or 3 double crochets together. So yarn over, skip 1, into the next, yarn over, pull through once, second time, and third time, yarn over, pull through all, chain 4, and into the same one we'll put again 3 together. 1, 2, 3, like so. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, into the next we'll repeat a group of 3 together, chain 4, and into the same spot, 3 together. And that's your repeat. Skip next 3, into the next, the same thing. 3 together, chain 4, 3 together. And when you come to the end of the row, you will have 1 to skip and double crochet into the last. Like so. Let's change the color again. We will join into the first stitch and chain 3. So this one I'm tightening it, it disappears, and I will chain 3. That will count as a double crochet. So put 3 double crochets into the chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3. Now working with a different weight yarn, chain 1, move into the next chain 4 space and put 3 double crochets in there. So this is how you are going to go till the end of the row. 3 double crochets into the chain 4 space, chain 1, move into the next, all the way till the end of the row. And let's see what we got. Like so. And once the row is completed, you put your 3 double crochets, you'll put a double crochet into the second chain, and this row is completed. Chain 1, single crochet into the first stitch, and you will put 1 single crochet across. Again, make sure you have 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Count the chain 1 as well. 5, 6. So I had 25 and I cut off the yarn. Let's move to the next row. 1 single crochet or whatever that is, slip stitch and single crochet into the same. So chain 3, skip 1, 3 together into the same spot, chain 3, skip 1, single crochet into the next, and that will be the entire repeat. Chain 3, skip 1, 3 together, and if you would notice, let me finish this one and I'll show you. Chain 3, skip 1, single crochet into the next. So as you can see, just to make sure that you're doing it right, your group of 3 together falls in the middle, on the middle double crochet. Well, these are single crochets, but it's aligned with the middle of the double crochet. So this way you know you're doing it right. And to finish off the row, you chain 3, skip 1, single crochet into the last. This is what we have so far. Chain 4, so the chain 3 will count as a double crochet plus chain 1, single crochet into the top of the group, chain 1, double crochet into the single crochet, and this is how the repeat will be. Chain 1, single crochet into the top of the group, chain 1, double crochet into the single crochet. This way we're going to even the row. And to finish off, chain 1, double crochet into the single crochet. This is what we have, and I really like this texture. 1 single crochet in each, so chain 1, single crochet into the first stitch, and single crochet into each chain and stitch again for the total of 25 into the double crochet, into the chain 1, into the single crochet, into the chain 1, so on till the end. 24, and the 25th will go into the third chain from the beginning of the previous row. 25, and this is the final look. So to continue, you will come back and add double crochets on top of these and then repeat the rows. It's a fun stitch. Just choose your color palette. It would not look good with only solid color. I should have started changing colors somewhere like each row or every 2 rows. The diagram is pinned at the end, and you will see which rows you should be changing colors, but again, the decision is yours. Anyway, have fun, enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. I'll catch you next time. Bye.